EEPROM is hard to navigate. There are two scenarios for using EEPROM. One is if you want to add a new key using certain vehicles like BMW, Audi, and Porsche. Another is if you replace an ECU like the engine and need to read the old unit's information. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a Porsche key in an easy way using D-Flash, meaning we will read the data from a chip. So first, let's take out our chipset from the immobilizer system. We need to read information from this chipset by connecting it with our XP400 Pro key programmer. Make sure you're connected to the key programmer and the programmer is connected to the tablet. Now we can proceed with the key learning process for a new Porsche key. Select Programmer. Select Chip EEPROM and then Chip Read and Write. Now select Immobilizer and find Porsche. Select BCM-R Backup. Read the guide and helpful information carefully. Since we are reading data, we need to select D-Flash. Here we can view the schematic diagram. Zoom in to make sure you can see it clearly. Follow the instructions on the screen. You first need to cut a line in one spot and remove two other parts. Then connect the wires accordingly. They are color-coded and labeled to help you out. Once the wires are connected, go back and select Read. This will read the information from the ECU and record it in the tablet. We will use this information to learn a new key. Save the file into a new folder and call it whatever you want. We'll call ours Porsche EEPROM. Now that we have our data, we can exit and head back to the home screen and select Immo. Find Porsche or auto-scan the VIN. Select Expert Mode and New Porsche. First, load the EEPROM data. Find the BCM type located on the chipset. Ours is 5M48H. Then go into the programmer file and find your file Porsche EEPROM. It may be beneficial for you at this point to take a picture of the information, just in case it doesn't load in future steps. Press OK. You need to have a fully blank key for this. Place your blank key in the XP400 Pro key programmer. Now we can select Make Dealer Key. Once Make Dealer Key is successful, you can then move on to Key Learning, the last step in the process. You will need to connect your JVCI into the OBD2 port for this last step and learn the key. The EEPROM key learning process is very simple. Just make sure a skilled professional is performing this process. I'm Mike, and I hope I answered some of your EEPROM questions. If you want to learn more, check out more of our videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching.